Well, I've never had this before. This is what we got from Walmart because we're on holiday in the USA. Movie theater butter, but it's microwavable. So basically, say it can be done in 4 minutes or as little as a minute and a half. So you put it in, put it on full, which is already set, and then there we go. You're going to put it on 4 minutes, but you got to wait for it to stop popping. So see what happens. Starting to pop now. See what happens, what it looks like when it's finished. It smells delicious. It's still popping there. Well, that was on for 3.5 minutes. So see what it looks like. I know I sound surprised, but look at that. Oh, it tastes great.